Station, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We're looking at AUD Swiss on the 3-hour time frame on the left and on the 15-minute time frame on the right. Now, a question I get asked a lot is, where should I put my stop loss? Now, looking at AUD Swiss on the 3-hour time frame, you can see that I have it marked here as a possible peak formation low forming. Now, this is actually something that I put out for FXN Plus members. So if you don't know what directional bias to trade and you need help with that, FXN Plus is where you want to go. If we look at the 15-minute time frame here on the right-hand side, you can see that the pattern itself that we end up getting here is essentially a type 2 pattern, which is right here. Now, as you know, type 2 patterns basically go to the bottom of the Asian range, get rejected, and then go ahead and move away from it. So during the London session, now that we see the pattern itself, what is going to be our confirmations, and most importantly, where do we put our stop loss for this? So for me, here's what I'm looking at. This right here, this big red candle would be the first leg. It's broken down by 5 or more candles, and then we get this big blue candle here. Very important to notice how this blue candle basically takes out all of these candles between the first and now what we have is the second leg. Also, this blue candle takes out basically the intraday local highs that were created by the apex of the W pattern. And then ultimately we get the pullback. The pullback is where we want the entry. So that red candle gives us the pullback. That's what we're going to use for the entry. Now, where should your stop loss go? Well, on a type 2 setup, okay, your stop loss should go below the closest low. And the closest low 99% of the time is going to be the second leg. Okay, so in this case, it's going to go below the wick of this red candle. Now, a very important part about this is the fact that this candle is also pinning to the 200 EMA. So you want to make sure that the stop loss goes below the 200 EMA, because the 200 EMA is essentially like a barrier for you as well. Also, if you look to the left here, you could see that this area here is being respected as a form of structure, because you could see here back in the Asian session that structure held. It held again for the first leg, and then obviously now is holding for the second leg. You also have the 50 EMA here that's also holding up price, and the 200 that's holding up current price where the trade was actually taken. So your stop loss is going to go below the 200 EMA, and then whatever the spread is at the time when you take the trade, you also want to put that into consideration. Put that into account. So essentially you're looking at somewhere around 10 pips or so, 11 pips in this particular example. And then of course, all we're trying to do is take it back up to at least 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which honestly would have been here, and you would have been out of the trade already. All right. Also, what you could do is, if you look again to the left, if you really look at it on the 3-hour time frame, you could see that really the highs that you would want to aim for are going to be right here on the 3-hour time frame here. Okay, so that is where you're aiming for, and this is where you should put your stop loss for a type 2 pattern, at least for this specific example. I hope this video brought you some value, guys. If you like this particular content, like the video. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Guys, if you need any more help, join us on FXN Plus. It's available right now on fxntrading.com. You'll get a lot of different value from FXN Plus. For example, blueprint videos, 9 sessions, 14 hours long, over 100 hours right now of group session videos from the past 2 years. Over 100 hours we're up to right now on these sessions. You also get weekly sessions every Sunday. Ask as many questions as you want. I actually give a weekly analysis during those sessions, and I also give a midweek analysis that I put up on the website for everyone to see as well. You get access to the MT4 and MT5 indicators, that everyone asked for. That's how you get access to them. Private group, trading plan, custom trading journal. I mean, everything you could possibly want is on FXM Plus. Guys, join us there. If you need any more help, we'll be more than happy to help you. We'll see you on FXM Plus.